Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new Discord video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to copy a Discord server and give it to other people to join you. So first of all, there is multiple ways to give other people like the access to your server. One of them is basically just give them the name of the server and they can just go here down below. So let's search down below and they can go for explore public servers and they can just search for the name in here. Also what they can do is basically without giving them the exact link, so for example invite people, you can just give them this number in here and they can write it. Or else basically the most common way is just go into a server, invite people, and then invite them from here. After you give the invite link to that person, basically they just have to click on join and they will be in your server. Also there is the other way, which is basically if you don't have the command or the option or the permission to give them the invite people option, you can just go through, for example, the web and search for Discord server. So Discord server, and here you search for servers, and let's say for example you'd like to join this one. What you have to do is just open a new tab. In this section you will find join server. So what you'll have to do is copy this whole link in here and give it to your friend, and you both guys gonna be able to join the server by clicking on this button in here. So let's do it. For example, let's join the server. That's how it will look like at the beginning, and yeah, you join the server Apex Legends from here. So yeah guys, that was it with how you can actually join any server or copy any server. So thank you a lot for watching and see you in the next video.